Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on the waiver of interest under section 234A, 234B and section 234C. It has been seen that whenever some additions are made or whenever some assessments are done, and if it is found that the assessee has filed the return of income late or deposited their advance taxes not as per the installments rule, then the interest under these sections are mandatorily charged. The question before Punjab and Haryana High Court was that if the assessee, due to the old age and illiteracy, files his return of income late and he was forced to sign the form 15H on dotted lines because of his illiteracy, then whether these can be the factors which can be said or which can come into the definition of unavoidable circumstances to qualify him as a right person to claim the waiver of interest as per the mandate of the notification dated 23rd May 1996. This issue has been taken up by the court in the case of Basu Devi and others versus Central Board of Direct Taxes and others, and this case is reported in 477 ITR at page number 382, and the date of the judgment is 22nd February 2024. In the present case, the assessee is an old age person and he is an illiterate person. The assessee was submitting form 15H, and from the perusal of the 15H, it was very clear that the assessee was signing this form as just on the dotted lines. Since the assessee was not filing the return of income and his income was taxable, when the assessing officer came to know of this fact, he issued the notices under section 142 subsection 1 and consequently 148 on 30th January 2002, and the assessee immediately after 4 days complied all the notices and paid the relevant taxes and sent the letters to the AO on 3rd February 2024, just in a gap of 4 days. So from the facts of the case, it was very clear that the conduct of the assessee was very honest. But when the assessee deposited the tax, the assessing officer made a claim of interest under section 234 ABC. The assessee requested for the waiver as per the notification dated 23rd May 1996, but his claim was denied. So the assessee came to the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and when this matter was heard by the court said that Central Board of Direct Taxes notification dated 23rd May 1996 provides the class of incomes or classes of cases in which reduction of waiver of interest under section 234A, 234B and 234C can be considered, and where the return of income could not be filed by the assessee due to unavoidable circumstances and return of income was filed before the issue of notices by the assessing officer, then the waiver of interest can be considered. It was very apparent that the assessee was not coming under the clause that where the assessee has filed the return before issue of notices, because in this case it was very clear that the assessee has complied after the issue of notices. So the question was whether the assessee is coming under the unavoidable circumstances. The court said that there is no doubt that the assessee is a old age and illiterate person. There is no doubt that the assessee has complied with all the notices in 4 days and deposited the tax. And from the perusal of form 15H, it was also very clear that the assessee was signing those forms on the dotted lines. So from all the factors, it can be said that the old age and the illiterate factors are the important factors and which can be treated as unavoidable circumstances for the assessee, and the court accordingly allowed the waiver of interest application as per the mandate of notification dated 23rd May 1996. Friends, this is a classical case where the assessee can get some input that he can also claim waiver of interest if he is able to make his case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Basu Devi and others versus Central Board of Direct Taxes and others, and this case is reported in 477 ITR at page number 382, and the date of the judgment is 22nd February 2024. Thank you, friends.